Most people still think building a landing page means hiring a designer, wrestling with a page builder, or writing code. But what if you could just describe what you want? And that's exactly what we're going to do in this video using AI agents. This is Ajelix, an AI agent that doesn't just answer questions, it actually builds things for you. And this is the tool that we're going to use. You can find it at chat.ajelix.com. Today we're creating a full landing page from a single chat message, no templates, no drag and drop, no code. The first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add a prompt because the prompt is the most important thing in this process. And I have already prepared a prompt. It's super long, but we're asking AI to create a landing page for a SaaS product called Veloce. But it's a project management tool built for remote teams, and we're asking for specific colors, and then we're describing what the page should include because the prompt is the most important thing. If you want to get the most precise output, you need a detailed prompt where you describe everything that you want to see in this web page. So we're describing a hero section with the headline and sub-headlines. Of course, you can just trust AI will deliver. If you want a really good landing page that meets your needs, then you should really focus on creating a good prompt. We're asking also AI to include feature cards with icons, one-click reporting, some kind of features, buttons that says get started for free, and then we're asking it to make it modern, minimal, and professional. Let's click send. AI has finished creating a landing page. It took him 2 to 3 minutes to finish this landing page, and so here you can see it as an asset already. So your remote team finally in sync. So he used the background colors are right. So here's a little visualization. Everything you need to move fast. Then we ask him to create these cards, feature cards, and then there's a quote from the customer, and then we ask him to create CTA, so get started for free. So this is actually already amazing MVP. Of course, at this point, you can go back to the chat and ask, for example, to add several more sections or rewrite the copy to value-based selling. You can save it in the dashboard, so now it's saved. You can switch to code if you are techie and understand the code itself. You can adjust it. If you have saved it here, you can use the AI improve and ask, for example, make the headline bigger. And then AI will only adjust the specific headline and won't touch anything else. And so here it is. And at this point, you can either cancel it or just click Save Changes. And this is how you can iterate it more and more. Or you can just go back to the chat and ask for additional sections. If you already have a web page, you can just input a link to your SaaS, for example, and ask him to redesign. So here is one of the pages that I wipe coded just recently. So this is like our previous brand. And so there are like interactive visualizations, so demos, more features, who's using Ajelix. And so the more content you provide to him, the better the output will be. Website creation has changed forever thanks to AI and AI agents. If you enjoyed this use case, just go to chat.ajelix.com. Ajelix is not just a landing page tool. It can analyze your data, it can perform research, build dashboard, create reports, edit spreadsheets, generate presentations, all from one chat interface. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Ajelix. We'll see you on the next one.